do you?
Cut my baby.
He was gonna what?
He wants to cut my baby.
This cat here was gonna cut your wee wee?
Yeah.
How do you feel about that? Not good?
Look again.
Oh, he's going for your huevos.
Like a kitty. Now what is it?
Frankie, I like the way you wear your hat. Frankie, get up. Come on. No, I just don't want you to mess up your pants. Come on, get up. It's dirty. Come on.
Is the kitty dirty?
The kitty and the floor. Get up.
Oh, he's crying.
He's not crying.
He's gonna play.
I want you to know it's crying.
He was crying?
Yeah.
How does he cry?
Like that.
Like that? Can you show me how he cries?
No.
You don't know how a kitty cries?
Yeah.
Look at the kitty's by me now.
Ooh.
The kitty's by me now.
Aww.
Frankie.
So nice, Mom.
Huh?
Look at what color is this?
Brownie? Brown?
He's brownish, blackish, grayish, whitish. He has different colors.
Whoa, I can't get it.
He likes you, huh?
Yeah. He didn't forget from Frankie.
Oh, he's next to me again. I'm scared. Oh! Oh, where'd he go? Hi, mister.
Hi, Mister. His name is Kitty.
His name's Kitty. It's not Mister? Can we name him Hello Kitty?
No.
Why not? Huh? Oh, he got scared.